Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just gonna make my chicken with string beans, and this is garnish, and I have this garlic and brown sugar, soy sauce, and this one spicy sauce, and sesame oil. Okay, we're gonna make some sauce. So first we're going to mix up all the sauce. Just 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of this too. If you don't have this one, it's fine. If you have a dark soy sauce, it's fine also, that works. And also if you have hoisin sauce, that is also works. And half teaspoon of the sesame oil. And I'm going to put the sugar there. Okay, let's put that on the side for now. And I will cut that chicken. Let's cut the chicken like cubes, small one, like that size. Yeah, just cook simple one today because I have to go somewhere. I need to cook just quick as possible. No fancy today. Okay, I just need half of this beans. That is too much. I can use that something else. You can cut your string beans in half, or you can just leave it the way like this. It's up to you what size you want. No biggie. Okay, let's go ahead and put some oil and butter a little. There you go. I just add the garlic right away because that one gets burned up the butter. And let it garlic light brown. Okay, now we'll drop the chicken. Just cook it about 4 minutes. Now let's add the sauce. And lower your heat. I add dark soy sauce, that way I just want to a little bit darker. Just half teaspoon. Yeah. There you go, much better. Now we'll add the beans. And black pepper to taste. This is optional. Now you can leave this one here for like 4 minutes. It depends how you want it, the softness of the string beans. You can adjust that. You can also use pork or shrimp or beef with this recipe. Any kind of meat you can put it here. Still hard. We'll cook a little bit more. This is crispy onion, so this is optional. If you don't have one, that's fine. Turn off your heat. And you can also spread some of that onions there. So that is ready to serve. Okay guys, here is my chicken with string beans, top of string onions. This is good for those people who are on diet because there's no rice, just meat and vegetables. Alright, less also sodium. Okay, see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video, and you can also share with your friends and your family. Okie dokie, see ya next time.